Welcome, viewers. With digitization on the rise, safeguarding your email data is crucial. Welcome to our guide on how to effortlessly back up your mailbox using the Kernel Office 365 Backup and Restore tool. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or new to data backup, this tutorial will help you through the process with ease and precision. Let's begin. Launch the Kernel Office 365 Backup and Restore tool. Once open, you'll find a user-friendly interface. Simply tap on Backup to start your journey towards secure data management. Next, tap on Add to include your mailbox for backup. Here, you're presented with two authentication options, Basic and Modern. For this demonstration, we'll select Modern Authentication due to its enhanced security features. In the following window, it's time to input your Tenant ID, Client ID, and Client's secret value. Now, choose the Mailbox Office 365 Group option and enter your email ID. After tapping on Add, select the Office 365 account and click on Set Filter and Migrate to proceed. Here's where the tool's flexibility shines. From the drop-down list, select the data type you wish to back up, be it your mailbox, archive mailbox, or public folder. Next, you'll encounter the Filter Selection window. This feature allows you to tailor your backup to your specific needs. You can select folders to migrate. Set a date range for item filtering. Choose item types for migration. Exclude the deleted items folder or empty folders. Decide if you want to create a new folder hierarchy for the saved data. Set operation timeouts for large email files. Skip previously migrated items for incremental backups. After fine-tuning your preferences, click I am OK, Start Migration. You'll then choose your desired file format for the backup. For this tutorial, we'll select PST. Next, provide a saving location for your backup and click OK. Your migration will now commence. Rest assured, as your data is being securely backed up. Once the migration is complete, a confirmation message will appear. For detailed insights, click Migration Log. To save a report, select Save Report to CSV. This feature is invaluable for record keeping and future reference. There you have it, a complete process to back up your mailbox using Kernel Office 365 Backup and Restore. Secure, efficient, and user-friendly, this tool ensures your email data is always protected. To know more about the software, visit the given link in the description. Thanks for watching.